High above the clouds, hidden from mortal eyes, floated the Skyward Isles, a cluster of magical lands tethered to the heavens by golden chains. Legends told of ancient treasures and unspoken wisdom hidden within the isles, guarded by the enigmatic Windward Sentinels. In the bustling port town of Elynn, a young inventor named Elynn was preparing her greatest creation, the Skylark, a sleek airship capable of breaching the cloud veil, the impenetrable mist surrounding the Skyward Isles. Elynn had always dreamed of adventure. Elynn's companions were as diverse as the winds: Kale, a skilled navigator with a mysterious past; Mira, a weather mage who could command the skies; Tobin, a gruff mechanic who treated the Skylark like his child; Pip, a mischievous talking parrot with a knack for riddles. "The map says we'll find the first chain here," Elynn said, pointing to a spot on the map. "Are we ready?" "Ready as we'll ever be," Tobin grunted, tightening a bolt on the Skylark's engine. "Let's soar," Mira said with a grin, summoning a gust of wind to push the ship skyward. As the Skylark pierced the cloud veil, the first chain came into view. It was anchored to a floating island adorned with glowing glyphs and towering crystal spires. The island's air shimmered with magic, and voices whispered on the wind. "Welcome, seekers," a melodic voice intoned. A glowing apparition of a woman with feathered wings appeared before them. "To proceed, you must solve the riddle of whispers." The voice spoke. "I am not alive, but I grow. I don't have lungs, but I need air. I don't have a mouth, yet water kills me." "Fire!" Elynn exclaimed after a moment of thought. The apparition smiled. "Correct. The first chain is yours to climb." As the chain unlocked, a gust of wind carried the Skylark upward to the next isle. The second isle was a maze of wind tunnels, each passage guarded by swirling tempests. As the crew disembarked, the winds seemed to whisper their fears and doubts back to them. "This place is playing tricks on us," Kale muttered, gripping his compass tightly. "We need to harmonize with the wind," Mira said. She closed her eyes and began to hum a haunting melody. The wind softened, creating a clear path through the maze. At the maze's heart, they found an ancient pedestal with an inscription. "To master the skies, one must master themselves." Elynn placed her hand on the pedestal, and a second chain unlocked, pulling them higher still. The final isle was the largest, dominated by a colossal statue of the Windward Sentinel, a being half man, half eagle. As the crew approached, the statue's eyes glowed, and it came to life. "You have shown wisdom and courage," the sentinel boomed. "But to claim the treasure, you must prove your unity." The sentinel summoned a storm, hurling bolts of lightning and gusts of wind at the crew. They worked in perfect harmony. Mira deflected the lightning with a shield of wind. Tobin reinforced the Skylark's sails to withstand the storm. Kale navigated through the chaos with unerring precision. Elynn activated the Skylark's energy core, powering through the turbulence. "Enough," the sentinel declared, the storm dissipating. "You have proven yourselves worthy." The sentinel led them to a hidden chamber within the isle. At its center floated the heart of the skies, a crystalline orb pulsing with celestial energy. "This is the treasure you seek," the sentinel said. Elynn reached out, and the orb dissolved into light, filling the crew with a sense of boundless possibility. The golden chains began to shine, their magic restoring the balance of the skies. As the Skylark descended back through the cloud veil, the crew looked at each other with newfound respect and camaraderie. "So, what now?" Pip squawked. Elynn smiled, holding the glowing map that now displayed even more uncharted territories.